shot putting the car up on the ramp truck. That was the first time I ever did it. Shit and nickels. I think it went extremely well. I saw a couple little problems. I gotta stabilize my ramps, gotta build a little, almost like a platform. The bumpers are a little closer than I'd like. I got the sling. The sling worked good, but the sling is about 2 feet too long. So I either gotta go back on the chassis and grab it to pull it up, or I just gotta get another sling. So winch worked perfectly. Didn't even think about it. I don't even think the truck squatted. I'll measure here in a second, see how much it squatted like that. First shot, I'm over the moon. I'm just so damn happy it's going to be fun. So stay tuned. I'll make a couple more videos. We're going to get it out and about this summer, spring and summer. Get it to some shows, take it to the mountains, have some fun with it. All right, stay tuned. Like and subscribe, please.